Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to place a limit order on Robinhood. If you're new to investing, this is a must-know feature because it gives you more control over your trades, helping you avoid buying or selling at unfavorable prices. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's a limit order? Unlike a market order that executes immediately at the current price, a limit order lets you set a specific price for buying or selling a stock. For example, you might want to buy shares of Apple only if they drop to $150 or less. This way, you're not at the mercy of market fluctuations. Why should you use it? It minimizes risks in volatile markets and ensures you get the price you want, or better. Now, let's walk through the steps on the Robinhood app. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in to your account. Make sure it's updated for the smoothest experience. Step 2. Use the search bar at the top to find the stock you're interested in. Type in the ticker symbol, like AAPL, for Apple, and select it from the results. Step 3. On the stocks page, tap the Trade button. You'll see options for order types. Choose Limit from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Enter your desired limit price. If you're buying, set it as the maximum you're willing to pay. For selling, set it as the minimum you want to receive. Step 5. Specify the number of shares and any other details, like how long the order should last, e.g., day or good till cancelled. Step 6. Double-check everything: your limit price, quantity, and total cost. Once you're good, hit Review Order, and then Submit. And just like that, your limit order is placed. Remember, it won't execute unless the stock hits your price, so keep an eye on the market. One quick tip: always consider fees and market conditions before trading. There you have it. Placing a limit order on Robinhood is straightforward and empowers your investing strategy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.